Hello, welcome to another video in the series on basic WMS processes. It's time to talk about storage and putaway. Once products are received and validated, the next critical phase begins: storage and putaway. In this video, we'll take a deeper look at how a WMS decides where inventory should be stored and how putaway rules directly influence efficiency, accuracy, and future picking operations. The critical phase after receiving. This process determines where inventory will be positioned within the warehouse, directly influencing operational efficiency, accuracy, and future picking operations. The transition from receiving to storage is a strategic operation that prevents congestion, optimizes space utilization, and ensures rapid inventory availability for order fulfillment. From receiving to storage, the critical transition. After receiving, the inventory is usually placed in a staging or temporary inbound area. From there, the WMS triggers the putaway process, ensuring products move quickly from inbound zones to their final storage locations, preventing congestion and delays.
What is storage in a WMS? In a WMS, storage is more than a physical space. Each location is digitally defined, structured, and controlled, giving the system full visibility of where every unit, pallet, or case is stored. This digital twin of the warehouse provides complete visibility, enabling real-time tracking of every unit, pallet, or case stored within the facility.
Unitization in warehouse operations. Unitization is the process of grouping individual items or packages into a single logistical entity known as a handling unit or HU. During storage and putaway operations, handling units play a critical role by allowing inventory to be moved, stored, and tracked as a single unit instead of individual items. This approach simplifies the putaway process, reduces handling time, and increases accuracy when assigning warehouse locations. By managing inventory at the HU level, the system improves traceability, optimizes space utilization, and ensures a more efficient and controlled storage operation. Understanding putaway operations. Putaway is the operational task of moving inventory from inbound areas to storage. Rather than relying on operator decisions, modern WMS platforms use predefined rules to guide this process, ensuring consistency and accuracy. Why putaway strategy matters. Where inventory is stored has a direct impact on future operations. Poor putaway decisions increase travel time, reduce picking speed, and waste valuable warehouse space. Good putaway strategies create long-term operational efficiency. Warehouse location hierarchy. This allows precise navigation, traceability, and reporting, ensuring the system always knows exactly where inventory is stored. Locations are represented by coordinates, and each location may have different types of coordinates depending on the complexity of the position. Strategic storage zones. Warehouses are often divided into zones based on product characteristics. Ambient, standard temperature-controlled areas for general merchandise and non-perishable goods. Temperature-controlled, refrigerated and frozen zones maintaining specific climate requirements. Hazardous, compliant storage for dangerous goods requiring special handling protocols. Fast-moving items, high-velocity products positioned for rapid access and quick turnover. These zones help segregate inventory and enforce compliance, safety, and operational efficiency. Fixed versus dynamic location strategies. In fixed location models, products always go to the same storage position. In dynamic models, the WMS selects any suitable available location based on rules. Dynamic storage increases space utilization and flexibility. Putaway strategy framework. Some of the main strategies that can be applied in put-away are nearest available, minimizes travel time by selecting the closest suitable location to the staging area, capacity-based, evaluates remaining space to optimize location fill rates and prevent wasted capacity, class-based, groups similar products together to streamline picking and maintain logical organization, velocity-based, positions fast-moving items in easily accessible locations to accelerate throughput. Product characteristics drive placement. The WMS evaluates product attributes to prevent unsafe or inefficient storage. Weight and dimensions. Heavy items automatically route to ground level or lower rack positions to maintain stability and safety. Stackability. System determines maximum stacking heights based on product strength and compression tolerance. Fragility. Delicate items receive protected storage locations with minimal handling requirements. Hazard classification. Dangerous goods are segregated into compliant zones with appropriate safety protocols. Inventory rotation rules. Put-away strategies must support inventory rotation policies to ensure product freshness, regulatory compliance, and waste reduction. The WMS automatically positions inventory to facilitate proper rotation during picking operations. By positioning inventory correctly, the WMS ensures older or expiring products are picked first, reducing waste and improving compliance. For each type of product, we can use the most appropriate strategy. FIFO, first in, first out, for standard inventory rotation. Lot control, batch tracking for quality and recall management. FEFO, first expired, first out, for perishable goods. Serial tracking, individual unit traceability for high-value items. System-directed put-away excellence. In directed put-away, the system instructs the operator exactly where to place inventory. This reduces human error and ensures consistent execution across all shifts and operators. This provides several benefits: operator guidance, standardized execution, and reduced errors. Operational restrictions and controls. The WMS enforces operational constraints to protect inventory integrity. Mixed SKU rules controls whether different products can share storage locations. Weight limits prevents exceeding maximum load capacities. Blocked locations restricts access to damaged or maintenance areas. If a location violates any rule, the system automatically prevents put-away and suggests an alternative. Exception handling protocols. When exceptions occur, the WMS allows controlled temporary storage or escalation workflows, ensuring visibility and preventing inventory loss. Here are some examples of exception handling protocols. No available locations, system alerts supervisors and suggests temporary holding areas or alternative zones. Damaged inventory, segregation workflows route compromised goods to quarantine areas for inspection. Temporary storage, short-term holding with automated reminders to resolve and relocate inventory. Key performance indicators. These KPIs enable continuous monitoring of put-away efficiency and reveal optimization opportunities. High-performing warehouses constantly refine rules based on operational data and performance trends. Strategic impact on operations. Effective storage and put-away strategies are foundational to warehouse scalability. They directly impact service levels, operational cost, and customer satisfaction. As a result, we have faster picking, lower costs, and better scalability. Storage and put-away are not just operational tasks, they are strategic processes. With the right WMS rules, every product is placed where it belongs, enabling accuracy, speed, and efficiency throughout the warehouse. Thanks for joining us today. We hope this overview of storage and put-away helps you optimize your operations, but the process doesn't stop here. Stay tuned for our next episode, where we'll cover everything you need to know about picking and shipping. Thanks for watching.